Welcome to 6 Ventura Lane, a well-maintained 3-bedroom multi-level freehold townhome with 3 washrooms situated within a family-minded community of Central Ajax's Applecroft neighbourhood. Concrete steps lead up to a glass-panelled east-facing covered entrance, the door opening into a ceramic-tiled foyer with hardwood stairs to the main level. Off the landing is the open-concept entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms. Brightened with updated LED pot lighting, the east-facing picture window in the living room allows natural light to spill into these spaces, while a soft color palette and the blonde shade of the laminate flooring enhances their open, airy feel. The flooring continued through the hallway that leads to the kitchen area. Finished with ceramic flooring and showcasing a modern, functional layout that pairs a bright light color palette with stainless steel, the west-facing kitchen showcases exceptional cabinetry storage, newly updated quartz counters and backsplashes, a stainless steel fridge, oven with smooth surface cooktop, a built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a double-wide undermount sink, as well as track lighting with a new contemporary light fixture above the breakfast area. And the sliding door walkout opens onto a wood balcony that is ideal for year-round barbecuing and for container gardening. The hallway between the dining and kitchen areas features newly updated light fixtures, a coat closet, and a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink, while a modern chandelier casts beautiful ambient light above the entrance staircase. Carpeted staircases with hardwood railings lead to both the upper and the first of 2 lower levels. This level featuring a spacious family recreation room with laminate flooring, updated LED pot lights, and lots of natural light streaming through a large west-facing window and a second accent window. A newly upgraded ceiling light brightens the ceramic tile landing beside the staircase, and off this space is access to the single-car garage and a set of stairs to the unfinished lower ground level. Ideal for household storage, this level also has potential to add finished recreational space to the home and has a laundry area with washer and dryer, as well as a sliding door walkout to a private fenced-in backyard with a stone patio. The upper level is carpeted throughout and features newly upgraded ceiling light fixtures in all 3 bedrooms and in the hallway. The second bedroom has a single closet. The third bedroom features an oversized double closet. These 2 bedrooms also having east-facing windows and space for sitting or study areas, as well as sharing the common-use 4-piece washroom, which has a linen closet right outside its door, a ceramic-tiled floor and bath area, and a vanity updated with a new quartz counter. The master bedroom's ensuite washroom also has ceramic tiled finishes and a vanity newly updated with a quartz counter, with this bright yet restful retreat additionally showcasing wall-to-wall closet storage, space for a sitting area, and windows along its west wall filling the room with abundant natural light. Located in a complex with ample visitor parking and a short walk to Applecroft Public School, the Westney Heights Plaza, and public transit, this home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.